Lung sounds can be so hard to recognize, so let's go through the abnormal ones together. First things first, we need something to compare it to, so this is your normal. Let's listen. There are two types of crackles, fine and coarse. These are intermittent and brief sounds. Fine sounds like when you move your fingers through your hair, and coarse is like opening Velcro. This happens when inhaled air meets deflated alveoli or secretions. Let's listen. Wheezing, key word here is musical. It's a continuous sound produced by narrowed airways. Think wheezing, whistle like a musical. Let's listen. Now, stridor has a similar sound to wheezing and is continuous, but usually occurs due to a blockage of airflow in the trachea, like an obstruction. Let's listen. Ronchi, think of a rhino. They make low-pitched, deep sounds. This one is continuous too, but often clears with coughing. Let's listen. And lastly, we have diminished breath sounds, just like the name suggests. Let's listen to normal and then diminished.